Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to find your Toncoin wallet address on Bitget with options to copy it or scan the QR code. So let's get started. First, open the Bitget app and make sure to log into your account. Next, tap the Assets tab in the bottom right corner. Then tap the Deposit button and continue with Deposit Crypto. In the search bar, type TON or Toncoin and tap on it. Make sure the selected network is Toncoin native network. Do not use any other network unless specifically supported. Once you select your network, you will now be able to see your TON wallet address and a QR code. Tap copy to copy the address or use the QR code to receive TON from another wallet. And that's how you find your Toncoin wallet address on Bitget. Just make sure you're using the correct network to avoid any loss. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more quick crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.